Now this software is very, very powerful, and what it'll do, it'll automatically add leads and customers into your Sendlane lists every time there's a transaction at ClickBank or JVZoo, both on the vendor and the affiliate side, PayPal, and as well as Warrior Plus. And we're adding more. The first thing you need to do when you log in a dashboard is you need to go to integrations and click on autoresponder. And when you do that, you simply just follow these instructions right here. You see that if I expand that, you'll see that there's some API credentials that you need to add. Now, first of all, you need to log into your Sendlane to get these, and I'll show you where to get them right now. You log into your dashboard, and you'll see that you go to integration. It says integration with your site. Click on integration with your site button, and you'll see it says form link. Now, what you need to do is get this right here, but do not get anything after the Sendlane.com. That's all you need is up to .com. So just copy that and go to autoresponders and put it in, paste it in right there. Okay? Do not include anything after .com. Then you need to get your API key and your hash key from Sendlane. And what you do, you go back to Sendlane and you go up to the top right, where it says right here, and you go to account settings. And this will give you your API key and your hashtag key. Now I'm going to do that, and I'm going to block it so that you can't see mine, and it's down below. It's right here. So get your API key and you copy it, insert it into the API key field, and you get the same thing for your hash key. Go back and get your hash key, copy it, and go back and paste it. Okay, when you do that, you can click on select list, and all of your lists at Sendlane will show up. So for example, if I come back over here and I click on lists, you'll see that I have 3 lists: viral loop bonus, marked leads simple customers, and marked leads VIP customers. And so if I go back to right here, you'll see that these are the same lists that are connected to the software. So I can simply click one of these as a default. So I'm going to click on the VIP customers as the default, and I'm going to click on save. So this is my default setting and my default list and for the software. Now I can change it once I get into setting up some campaigns here, but that's my default setting and the list that I've selected. The next thing you can do, I'm going to set up a product with ClickBank, and I'm going to show you in real time how the software works. Now you'll see that there's the first page here is real-time IPN stats. I click on that. All the stats of all the sales and their customer names and email addresses will show up below, and the date they were added on and where it's coming from and so forth. You can filter it. You can delete certain selected users and so forth. All the different places where you sell stuff will show up right here, and all the sales and all the stats will show up. So the first thing you want to do to add a campaign is go to manage accounts. And I'm going to select, for example, I'm going to select one from ClickBank. Now you can do it from JVZoo vendor. If you sell products as a product owner at JVZoo, you can do that. You can sell it. You can collect leads and customer data from if you sell JVZoo as an affiliate. So every time you make a sale as an affiliate, you get to capture the customer lead into Sendlane. And also for PayPal, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. So in this illustration, I'm going to go to ClickBank. I'm going to put it Mark's ClickBank account. Okay, there you go. And you need to add the secret key from your ClickBank. And so there's instructions on where to get this. So I'm going to add mine. And I'm going to save the IPN. So that's saved down below. The next thing you do is go to Manage Products and select the IPN account you just created. Now you need to go to ClickBank and get the product number at ClickBank. And the product number at ClickBank that I'm going to be selling is number 4. I can show you where to get this as well. And it's called Gun Money. It's not even on for sale right now, but it's still up at ClickBank that I can use it. So that's the product title at ClickBank of one of my products that I did years ago. You also have the option to do API forwarders. So if there's a membership script with an IPN address or a form with an IPN that you want to auto-register people, you can do that right here, and you can add multiple. Very, very cool feature. Once you've added the product and the product number, you click on Save Products. So that product is added. Now this is real simple. The next thing you can do here is go to Create Bridge. and we're going to select the IP account that we created, select the product, and on the right hand side you'll see it says credentials. Now we can add multiple lists and to each transaction. So for example, I'm going to click on add credentials, and I have the option here to title it for my own reference. So this is going to be my Sendlane test 1. You see that? And I'm going to click on email provider Sendlane, and I can put in another API key. So if you have 2 different Sendlane accounts, or maybe you're part of a team and you each have your Sendlane account, and you can do that, or you can click on load credentials and it'll grab it from the default. Now you'll notice that it also added the default list. So I can click on select list, and I can, once again, I'm going to select the VIP customers right there, and I'm going to add it. And that's added. Now I can come back and I can add another list by doing it all over again. And I can add multiple, as many as I want, to every transaction. And once I'm done, I click on save. There. Now you'll see here that there's references here of the IPN URL. So for ClickBank, you simply grab this URL, and remember, this is on your domains. You need to put your own domain on there and add it to your ClickBank account and select version 1.2.1. Now there's instructions of where to go at ClickBank to add that IPN URL. Okay, it's very, very simple. So once that's done, it's all set up. Now I'm going to go to ClickBank, and what I've done at ClickBank, I've created a test purchase credit card number. ClickBank allows you to do a test purchase, and they give you a test credit card number. I've already populated it inside the checkout. Now this is the product. It's called Gun Money, and here's the product. Here's the billing, and I put as the cardholder's name Jimmy Hoffa. See that? And I've already, for time's sake, I've already put the credit card number in there, expiration, and the security code. It's already in there from this test credit card number. But I'm going to put my own email address at gmail.com. Now if I go to this email address right now, and if I click on inbox, it's completely empty. Okay? Now I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on pay now. Now watch this. Okay, you'll see that the test is done, and you'll see if I go to my inbox and click on in, so the test is done. Now if I go to Sendlane, you'll see that right now, for marked least VIP customers, there's no subscribers. Now let me refresh. Okay, now 1 is added. You see that? Now let me click on, and there it is right there. Marked least videos, and first name Jimmy, last name Hoffa, date added. Now watch this. If I go back to IPN sync leads, and if I click on real-time stats, you'll see that ClickBank one has been added. And it gives you the product title, the customer name, Jimmy Hoffa, the customer email, ClickBank, and when it was added. You see that? And so it's in real time. And what's really cool is I've added this where it's linked to your desktop email package that you have. So if I click on this, what's going to happen? It's going to pop up to whatever mail service that you're using on your computer, where I can send this person a quick thank you if I want to. So I added that feature as well. You just click on their email to send them a quick personal email. You can filter it as well, and for all the stats will show up. It's very, very cool. So that's how easy it is to use this. And once again, it works for affiliate sales, for PayPal, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and the JVZoo if you're a vendor. Thank you.